Welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video I'm giving you another free airdrop which you can claim instantly and instantly withdraw it in your trust wallet. So guys, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. So guys, make sure to join me on my Telegram where I just upload all stuff about airdrops. So guys, here you can see all the stuff about airdrops. So you can see guys, all the airdrops are working and instantly you can withdraw it. So guys, link of my Telegram given in the description, must go and join it. So guys, you just need to go on my Telegram and you just find out here you just need to search Metagon. So guys, here you can only search Metagon. So guys, here you can see the post is available in my Telegram. So guys, this is the post about this airdrop. So guys, you just need to copy this joining link and go to your trust wallet. So guys, here you can see guys, I have $87 in my trust wallet. So guys, which I claim from this airdrop. So guys, you just need to go first. I just show you. So guys, here you just need to put Metagon. So it's available here. You can see guys, I have 0.004 in BNB value. So guys, here you can see I just get it. So guys, you can claim it instantly and instantly you can withdraw it. So guys, how can join? Just put the joining link in a dive section of trust wallet. You just need to select here smart chain. So guys, wait for a few seconds. Now you guys get click on this airdrop. So guys, you just need to click on claim airdrop. So guys, you can see I just already claimed it. So guys, I cannot again claim it. So guys, if you wanna buy, you just need to put your amount. I just need 0.5. So guys, then you just need to click on buy section and you just need to approve it from here. So guys, I cannot approve it because I have not enough money in my trust wallet. So guys, now how you can add your add this token to trust wallet to see how much value of this token is available in your trust wallet. So guys, you just need to copy the contract address and paste it here, enable it, and here we go. So guys, I have 141 Metagon tokens, which the value I will show you in first of the video. So guys, I hope this video will help you. My Telegram link in the description, must go and join it. So guys, I hope this video will help you. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.